All right, thank you everyone for tuning in to this broadcast of how to fill out the at-risk form. We filmed this in the year 2019, and I'm hoping we're still using this long after. Pretty simple form to fill out. Just take your time with it. Do not rush it. First thing you will enter is the student name. Our student's name is Max Paxson the Way. His homeroom teacher, that would be your name. You can put your abbreviation if need be. Grade. Max is on a speech. He does go to speech. An area of concern for Max is his reading. So I had to go to his map report and look for his text level. All right, his text level, according to the map report, which is a 140 to a 290 Lexile. For math people, that would be the text level. His map reading score, his RIT, was a 179, which put him in the 31st percentile. Because Max Paxson the Way does not have any math issues, I will leave those blank. I keep scrolling down. So for Max, we've actually started using the Dolch list. So I would list that there. At this time, we have not started any other intervention. If I had started an intervention or just something I think that might help him, I would put that down here. And then because it is in the fall, all students would fall under Tier 1 placement. And after that, I just click submit. And then I can move on to my next student. Any questions, please see an RTI team member, and they will be glad to help you get through and put this on there.